Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best playsets is probably one of the most exciting and beneficial investments you can make for your little ones, offering them a dedicated space for imaginative play, physical activity, and endless fun right in your own backyard, transforming ordinary days into extraordinary adventures and fostering crucial developmental milestones through active engagement and creative exploration. Number 5. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad for Kids and Baby. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure with this educational splash pad. Designed by parents, it makes learning easy and enjoyable while they play in the water. Beat the heat with this inflatable pool, perfect for children 12 months and older. Watch them have endless fun under the refreshing sprinklers, creating oceans of adventure. Keep your little ones cool and safe with this parent-approved outdoor water toy. It's a shallow wading pool and sprinkler combo, made with BPA and phthalates-free materials for quality fun. We believe in the power of learning through play for healthy development. This product offers both educational activities and outdoor fun in one amazing pool. As a proud American company and parents ourselves, we prioritize your child's safety and toy quality. If you're not satisfied, our customer care team is here to help make it right. What we like? This is a fantastic option for parents who want to combine fun and learning. It features an educational mat with built-in sprinklers, creating a safe and engaging water play environment. If you are looking for a way to keep your little ones cool while also stimulating their cognitive development, this is the perfect choice for backyard fun. What people say. My child enjoyed this splash pad very much. Nice thick material, I would say dog resistant but not dog proof. My kid and dog love it. My go-to gift for friends, family who want a safe way to beat the heat with their kids in the spring summer. Super easy to use and great value for what it costs. You can adjust the water height with the hose and the shallow mat stays cool when in use. Number 4. Fun Little Toys Pop-Up Play Tent Camping Set. Get ready for exciting outdoor adventures with this all-in-one camping set. It includes everything your little ones need to explore and imagine. This set comes with 17 essential camping items, from a pretend stove and lamp to binoculars and tools. It's perfect for creating their own camping stories. Setting up camp is a breeze with the collapsible play tent. It pops up easily and is also portable for fun anywhere. The tent provides a cozy spot for imaginative play, naps, or reading. It's a wonderful personal space for young children. The toy lamp lights up, and the stove glows, adding realism to their play. The included whistle also features a flashlight, compass, and thermometer for added fun. This engaging toy set is recommended for children aged 3 and up. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays or holidays. What we like? This product offers an immersive pretend play experience for aspiring little adventurers. It comes with a variety of camping gear and a pop-up tent, encouraging imaginative storytelling and role-playing. If your child loves the idea of camping and enjoys interactive play with accessories, this is an excellent choice for indoor or outdoor exploration. What people say. The swing set is very sturdy and well-made, with high-quality materials that seem built to last. My kids love the slide and the climbing wall. It provides hours of active fun and entertainment. The design is compact and fits perfectly in our backyard without taking up too much space. Number 3. Step 2 Woodland Climber 2 Playset. Bring the excitement of the park right to your backyard. This playset features a climbing wall, a fun slide, and even steering wheels for imaginative adventures. Encourage active play that helps develop essential skills. It supports balance, coordination, problem-solving, and social interaction for your little ones. Its earthy colors and realistic textures are designed to blend seamlessly with your outdoor space. It's a natural fit for any backyard. The underdeck area is perfect for creating a cozy fort. It also provides a convenient spot to store toys when playtime is over. Crafted from durable, double-walled plastic, it resists chips, fading, and cracks. Plus, it's easy to clean for long-lasting fun. Setting up this playset is a breeze. You'll have it ready for fun in no time, with minimal effort. What we like? This is a robust and engaging playset designed to bring park adventures right to your backyard. It boasts a nature-inspired design with a climbing wall, slide, and hideout, promoting active play and skill development. If you desire a durable, long-lasting playset that blends seamlessly with your outdoor space and encourages physical activity, this is an ideal selection. What people say. The playset is very sturdy and well-made, so much so that even a few adults couldn't resist climbing up the ladder and taking a trip down the slide. It's held up great so far and feels like it will last for years. One of the best features is the play area underneath, which adds a fun little hideout space that sparks a lot of imaginative play. The plastic is durable and smooth, no rough edges, and the steps are wide enough for little feet to climb up confidently. It's lightweight enough to move around but strong enough to stay put during play. Number 2. BlueWood Pikler Triangle Set. Introducing the BlueWood Pikler Triangle Set, a versatile climbing toy designed for toddlers. It's crafted from solid wood, ensuring durability and safety for your little ones. This climbing toy meets strict ASTM F963-17 and CPSIA standards, guaranteeing a safe play environment. You can have peace of mind knowing it's built with the highest safety regulations in mind. Unlock endless fun with 7 different play modes. This set offers a variety of ways for your child to climb, explore, and develop their motor skills. Designed for convenience, it features a foldable structure. This makes it easy to store away when not in use, saving you space. Built to last, it can withstand up to 160 pounds. This robust construction ensures it can support your child's active play for years to come. Perfect for indoor play, it encourages active and imaginative adventures for your toddler. Watch them grow and develop as they engage with this stimulating toy. What we like. This is a versatile and space-saving climbing toy made from solid wood. It offers multiple configurations for varied play possibilities and can be easily folded for storage. If you are seeking a durable, adaptable climbing structure that can grow with your child and fits well in smaller indoor spaces, this is a highly recommended option. What people say. The set is incredibly well-built and sturdy, giving us peace of mind as she climbs and explores. The quality of the materials is top-notch, and it's clear that a lot of thought went into the design. The smooth, rounded edges and solid construction make it safe for little ones to use. With the triangle, arch, and ramp, our daughter has endless options for play. She loves climbing up and down, sliding, and even using it as a fort for her imaginative games. It's amazing to see how much joy and creativity it brings out in her. It came well packaged, and was easy enough to assemble. The material seems to be good quality. The little wooden cars it came with are really good quality as well and were a nice bonus. They roll super fast. Number 1. Avenlur Palm 5-in-1 Backyard Playset. Get ready to transform playtime with the Avenlur Palm 5-in-1 Backyard Playset. It's designed to bring endless joy and excitement to your children. This Montessori-inspired playset features a wooden ladder, rock wall, slide, and tent fort. It's perfect for sparking creativity and fostering development through engaging activities. Specially designed for toddlers and young children aged 2 to 6, this playset offers thrilling fun both indoors and outdoors. Even older kids will find it exciting. Watch as your little ones conquer new challenges, enhancing their motor skills and imagination. Crafted from sustainable timber, it's built to last for years of adventure. Step into a world of enchantment with this versatile playset. The integrated tent becomes a secret hideaway, encouraging imaginative journeys as they climb, explore, and slide. What we like. This is an engaging 5-in-1 playset that promotes holistic child development through Montessori-inspired activities. It features a rock wall, slide, ladder, and an integrated tent fort, suitable for both indoor and outdoor play. If you are looking for a sustainable, multifunctional playset that encourages physical challenges and imaginative hideaway fun for children aged 2 to 6, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The playset is designed with safety features like rounded edges and secure railings, ensuring a safe play environment for toddlers. It includes multiple activities such as a slide, a swing, and a climbing wall, offering a variety of engaging play options for young children. The durable construction is made from high-quality, weather-resistant materials, promising long-lasting use and stability even with frequent outdoor exposure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.